Assalamualaikum. Hi friends. Today we'll making a video, unboxing video for RYOGA 1016 SV, or we call it Red RYOGA. The price is around 1,699 ringgit to 1,800 in ringgit Malaysia. You can convert to USD by divide it by 4. Okay, this reel come with jailbreak. Okay, it's free as mentioned at the top of the box. So come take a close look. Alright, RYOGA 1016 SV shallow. Here is the specification. This RYOGA using 7.1 ratio compared to previous just 6.3. okay, but this RYOGA is a little bit heavier compared to previous RYOGA. The weight is 290 gram. Previous RYOGA just 255 gram, and maximum drag 7 kilos. Previous RYOGA only 5 kilos. 12 ball bearing. Okay, this RYOGA include ATD system and also using SV spool. Okay, let's open the box. Of course, warranty card and the reel itself. Okay, back. Nice bag. Some instruction manual. RYOGA SV instruction manual. Okay, so yeah, let's take a close look. Adjustable brake here. Just turn it. Okay, smooth. Very nice color. The shape not change, just only the color. Maybe a little bit at handles knob. Okay, that's it.